In this video, we're going to look at how to turn editing on so that you can add content to your courses, or you can edit the content that's there. You need to be within the course, and we're going to go into the topic that we want to edit. I've got some other topics here, but let's focus on the introduction. So click on the introduction, and you can see here that I have some content already, but I can't edit this content. There's no icons or anything for me to change it. To turn editing on, go to the Actions icon at the top right and select Turn Editing On. Once the page refreshes, you'll see the icons appear, and we've got Edit lists now and icons for pencils where we can change the names. Let's change the name of the introduction and make it Welcome. It's a little bit more friendly. And I'll just hit Enter on my keyboard, and now we've changed that name. So with editing turned on, we can also edit content in the topic, and you can see here we can edit, highlight, hide or delete the topic. You can also do this with your content. So if we click on edit, you can see a range of options here. You can move it right, hide it, duplicate it, assign roles to it or delete it. Let's have a look at editing the settings for this activity. So each activity has different types of settings depending on the activity. If we go to the top right of the screen and select Expand All, that will allow us to see all of the settings for the book. And if we scroll down, you can make any edits that you need to according to what your needs are for the particular activity. And normally you would save the changes. This time we're going to cancel and come out because I don't want to save anything. And to turn editing off, we go up, turn editing off. And now you can see those have disappeared, and all the icons and edit have disappeared as well. But we have my rename section as Welcome. If we go back to the course, we can see it's called Welcome, and that's how you turn editing on.